a circle. When we start to look at a circle in perspective, our circle starts to become an ellipse. Now, when we think about ellipses and we start to draw ellipses, one of the key things to understand is what the shape is. It's clearly a continuous shape. It has a minor axis and a major axis. And you can see the major axis here, the minor axis here. In many ways, you can think about the idea from this point, the ellipse is going up and to the left. At this point, it starts to go up and to the right. At this point, it starts to go down to the right, and at this point, it starts to go down and to the left. And so you can almost think about a line going from here to here and here to here. And those will be at right angles to each other. The ellipse changes its depth according to our angle of view. As the ellipse reaches our eye level, we start to see a very thin shape eventually become a straight line. As we go above the ellipse, we start to see it become more circular. If we turn the ellipse into a cylinder, then what we'll start to see is clearly something similar. The ellipse at the top is nowhere near as deep as the ellipse at the bottom. Of course, we can't see the bottom ellipse for the moment, but that ellipse down there is more rounded and more curved than this one up here, although this width and this width is the same. Of course, it's the same if we draw it up close, but if we start to change our position in relationship to the cylinder, we start to move around it, then at the moment this plane is closest to us than this one, and obviously these sides, which are parallel, will appear to start to converge. And what we can begin to see is how to draw these shapes, cylinders, in perspective.